Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Windows won't let you restore the file from the recycle bin. So guys, first and very important for repair the recycle bin. So guys, click to start, type cmd and then right click to run as administrator. And after that is command rd space slash s space slash q and recycle bin and then hit enter. Okay, this is very important. And then close it. Then you can see its icon, recycle bin, and it's not showing here. So right click to empty place and click to show more and then click to display setting. Okay, sorry, right click to show more and then personalizations. After that you can click to theme and then scroll down. After that you can see a desktop icon. Okay, so you can check recycle bin required or not and then apply and okay. After that check this, it will open it. Okay, it will open it. Okay, then you can see guys, select the right click to restore, okay, which is already deleted, and then close it. Then next run file explorer to run as administrator and reset it. So click to start, type task manager, open it, full screen, find out the Windows Explorer. So this is Windows Explorer. Right click to restart. Okay, so after that it taskbar will be removed and then it will come again within 5 seconds. Okay, and then close it. Then guys, restart your system. Okay, so you can press control L. Okay, at F. Okay, so it will come, it no worry. Then click to start and then need to restart your system and then please check it guys. Okay, thank you.